Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2008 Ford Ranger, stock number 6518. This ran from the 12th, 2006 to the 9th, 2011. It's a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,